Hey there, this is Alex with FileDrop, and today I want to show you how you can resize the images you have in your Google Sheet cells. Um, I'm going to show you how you can do that in a couple of ways, depending on how the image is inserted in your Google Sheet. So if I insert an image from the insert menu, I have here insert image in cell, and if I do this, and as you can see, the image is really small. I can just drag it and make the cell bigger. Yeah, so from this side here and from the this side here, and the image will look a lot more clearer. So this is one way. If the image is inserted with the image function or via our drag and drop interface here with file drop. In file drop, we actually have a setting where we set the image based on the size of the cell. So at this point we have 100 times 200 with 200, so that's the size of the cell. And of course you can move around and do like this, but the image is still at that size. In this case, the image is embedded and it will take the size of the height of the row or the width of the column. And you can see here this image stays the same, and now it's covered, it's half and half. But if I do, let's say 100 times 100, you can see the image now is distorted, and it's still part of the cell, but not like this one here where it's embedded. So if you have multiple images, we can do a quick demo to show you nope, sample images. So if we click insert all files, so we have a lot of images here, and what we can do is go to this corner and we can do like this, drag the first with shift pressed, we can drag the line between the rows, and the images, all the cells will be at the same size. And the same we can do with the columns. We click, we keep the shift key pressed, and we move the columns from left to right or to the left, depending on the size that we want. And this will show all the images. If the images are embedded in the cells, let's do that. So I'll go here and I'm gonna click here, embed images in cells. When images are embedded, you don't see the image function here. And also the tool sends you an email if you don't want to wait and for all the images to be embedded. It depends a lot on the size. The smaller the size of the image, the quicker it works. And now all the images are embedded. That means that the moment I'm trying to resize the cell, as you can see, the image will keep its size inside the cell. So I'm doing the drag from the rows and from the columns, and it will be, of course, if I only want this row, I can do it like this, but the image will be limited by the height of this row. If I make all the rows with a bigger height, the image will keep its proportions inside the cell. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Cheers.